Someone once nicely said that if you face your problems, the problems vanish. The only thing that we don't do is we fear and we run from our problems. We try to fix it with temporary solutions, temporary people, and temporary things. The only time we sit with our problem is when we actually resolve it. Hi, my name is Monali, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about holistic ways to reverse and handle situations in our life and habits. And today we are talking about the part two of nail biting. All right. So, in the last episode, we talked about the internal impacts of nail biting and how we as society will literally look at it as something external. We never look at it with empathy, we never look at it with compassion or love. We always look at it with disgust, shame, and all these bloody things. I absolutely hate the way we see it or the way we have been taught to look at it. I hate it. I'm just gonna slap at people who anytime who disgrace themselves for nail biting. It is so bad, man. Stop being so brutal and rude to yourself just because your parents were rude to yourself. No, you don't deserve that. So, the nail biting habit was never yours, let me tell you. It has come from somewhere. You must have subconsciously seen somewhere in your childhood or maybe in your environment, and that's why you have adapted it. So, it's time when you actually work upon it, sit with yourself, and see where it came from. It's time to stop what has been continued since years. And honestly, in my last episode, I told you that putting neem patti or ointments on your fingers won't stop it unless and until you work inside this here, because the triggers are here. And honestly, just try the neem patti. It might work for a week, but if you want to stop it for life, if you want your soul to evolve, then it's time you actually work upon yourself. In astrology, nail biting is considered as activation of Rahu, and Rahu activates surgery and whatnot in your body. And it also deactivates Venus in your life. Venus is a planet of luxury, life, freedom. It gives you everything of luxuriously beautiful beauty and all of this. But if you keep your nail biting, no matter what money would come to your life, it would not stay. There would be no luxury, there would be no passion, there would be no pleasure. So it's important that you work upon yourself, man. It's important you make justice to yourself. If you would not, then who will? Right? I know it's not an easy task. It's not an easy task to sit with yourself and see, oh my god, इसके सामने तो मुझे ऐसा होता है, oh my god, उसके सामने तो मुझे ऐसा होता है. भाई, तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा. तुम नहीं करोगे तो कौन करेगा? लोग ऐसे ही तुम्हारे ऊपर से चल के चले जाएंगे ना. ये ऐसे 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 करते रहोगे तुम लोग. तो हम नेल बाइटिंग करते होते हैं तो हम 99% of the time survival mode में होते हैं. We are mostly in survival mode. It means we don't feel safe to live our life. मतलब कभी भी कोई भी आकर तुम्हारी गांड मार के चले जाएगा. यहाँ से मम्मी मारेगी, यहाँ से पापा मारेंगे, वहाँ से वो तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड मारेगा, या फिर तुम्हारा बॉस तुम्हारी माथ छोड़ लेगा. भाई, ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू फकिंग टेक स्टैंड. यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग. यू हैव टू नो योर ट्रिगर्स. यू हैव टू नो योर सेल्फ. Have to know where does it trigger you. You have to know what things you fear and whom do you fear, and you have to eradicate those fear is what? It's just a mental imagination. It's mental. There is no fear. When you get anxiety, your mind thinks there is a lion in front of you, and that's how it activates the fight or flight. There is no lion. If you look at the reality, there is no lion. It's just in your mind. Your mind thinks, oh, there's a lion. भाई, दूर रहो, दूर रहो. नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है भाई. तुम्हारे माइंड को तुमको कंट्रोल, डोंट लेट योर माइंड कंट्रोल यू. यू कंट्रोल योर माइंड. दैट आई थिंक व्हाट आई वांट टू थिंक. Okay, there are a lot of fears and there are a lot of things which exist in me and a lot of people, and everyone has those fears. It's just that I don't let it control me. I don't let it overpower me. I don't let it overshadow my truth, my reality. This is my reality. I'm standing here. There must be a lot of fear in my mind right now. There must be a lot of judgment. अरे ये क्या सोचेगा, अरे वो क्या सोचेगा. सोचेगा तो सोचेगा भाई. It's alright. It's not your fucking business. Now let's come to the part on how to actually stop it. How to actually stop nail biting. So in my last video, I clearly told that awareness is the key, but how to build that awareness. 52 years old? Yes, she's 52 years old, and she had stopped her nail biting. She has been biting since I don't know when. I have no idea since when she had stopped her nail biting. She used to fear my father so much that she literally faced him. And honestly, she didn't have to face him. Obviously, they live in the same house. She faced the fear that her mind had created to keep her safe. She literally sat with herself and she chat GPT. I told her to chat GPT. I told her to literally put on a microphone and talk to chat GPT. And I tell her that, okay, fine, you know, what do you fear? What is that? Just go deeper. Just go deeper. क्या डर है? क्या डर है? कब का डर है? Just जाओ, जाओ आप जाओ, 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 जाओ. And for fuck's sake, she stopped nail biting. You know, मुझे उनसे nail biting आया था. And she stopped nail biting. Oh my god. And then a lot of friends and cousins of mine who had this, and I taught them this. I saw them with compassion and love, and they had finally stopped doing this. You know, it's important that you go back to your childhood and you see where is it. But to go back to your childhood, you have to be presently aware. You have to be aware right now कि क्या चल रहा है भाई, क्यों क्यों चबा रहा हूँ मैंने, क्यों क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं, किसके सामने कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हारे बॉस के सामने कर रहे हो तो तुम रुक जाओ वहाँ पर. यू नो, इट्स ओके, जस्ट ब्रीथ, जस्ट स्टे देयर. उसके बाद हैंडल करना कि क्या करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर और मे बी चैट जीपीटी, राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द पीपल जिनके सामने यू बाइट योर नेल. Okay, in front of whom you bite your nail. Now once you write down the names, you figure out what do you actually feel in front of them when the situation happens. You know, just go back and recall any situation, maybe an hour back or a month back or maybe a week back. Just go back, you know, or maybe just right now, wherever you are, or whenever you feel like nail biting, just remember this video of mine. Stop there, okay, and be aware that this is happening. Now just ask yourself why this is happening and in front of whom this is happening. Okay, now if this is happening in front of your manager, all right, now tell this to chat gpt that, okay, now this is happening in front of my manager, and now you tell that why this is happening. Yeah, what is happening? Are you scared of him, or are you scared that your work didn't complete, or are you scared that there was a timeline that your project had to be submitted and you didn't submit? Okay, so in urgency, in situations like this, it usually happens and you feel helpless, so you don't know what to do. So rather than thinking of a solution, you put your finger in your mouth and you start nail biting. Now face the trigger. Whatever it is, just face it, read it, just be with it, sit with it, know where are you feeling it. You know, we usually nail bite when we are in a situation of urgency, where we feel like a failure, where we feel ashamed, where we don't know what to do, right? That's when our body seeks an instant comfort and instant dopamine or whatsoever, and our nails are an instant connect to us. So that's why we spread our energy outside rather than soaking whatever is inside, right? You are not soaking the urgency or whatsoever or the fear inside because you don't trust yourself that you can take it in, because you don't trust yourself that if you can handle this. Yeah, and I understand sometimes the situations are not manageable, sometimes the situations can't be handled, and those are literally the extreme situations. But you are literally nail biting just because your manager scolded you. You are literally nail biting because your mom scolded you. You are nail biting because you couldn't finish a project on time. It's okay. जॉब नहीं जाएगी, और जाएगी भी तो यू नो आई शुड हैव ट्रस्ट इन योर सेल्फ कि देख लूँगा मैं, देख लूँगी मैं. It's okay. You know, I'm not saying you to be rebellion, but it's important to have a self-trust that things will be handled, you know. If you calm yourself in those 3-4 seconds of when you have the urge to put your finger in your mouth, the whole situations get handled, because there is a part in our brain which panics कि अरे भाई ऐसा हो गया, fuck 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 मैं क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ ऐसे. It's okay. कुछ नहीं हुआ है. There is nothing that has happened. It's all right. Take a deep breath. It's okay. Whatever it is, I can handle and I will handle. That's it. Yeah. You don't have to harm yourself. You don't have to bite your nail. You don't have to panic. You don't have to cry. बाप रे मेरे को क्या हो गया? नहीं नहीं नहीं. Crying to extreme situation, but ये immediate situation होता है. We don't. Okay. Let me know how you feel, and let's see how does that go. Let me know in the comments about how does that work, because I want you to come back to this video again and again, and I want you to, because it's not a one day job. It might take you 3-4 months or 4-5 months, but it would eradicate for life, right? Because every time it happens to me now, I have stopped it like years back, but after a lot of effort, man. Okay, but every time it happens to you, every time it will happen to you, you know, you will just stop. You'll be like, okay, jo bhi hai, it's okay. Yeah, I would not put it in my mouth. I understand whatever I'm feeling in my stomach, whatever are those butterflies, wherever I'm feeling, yeah, it is there with me. I can handle it. My body is strong to handle it. It's okay. I don't have to put something externally into my mouth to handle it. It's okay. I am enough. Take deep breath so your body knows that you are safe. Yeah, you are safe. When you deep breathe, it means your body knows that there is no tiger or lion near me. It's just some people, and it's okay. Whatever it is, I can handle it. Keep it for the nail. Keep it for the lion, I was saying. But alright, guys, let me know how do you feel about this, and I really want you to get the fuck out of it, man. Get the fuck out of it. It's gonna be amazing, and it's gonna open a lot of triggers and doors for you, and you would be astonished to know that these things exist in you, और ये सारी चीज़ें तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में थी भाई. It's gonna be a game changer. I got you, and you will get yourself too. I love you.